Foolish Bunny finds a gem. Once upon a time, a foolish bunny, Benny, and a wise old owl, Oliver, lived in a dense forest filled with towering trees and mystical creatures. Benny was known for his impulsive decisions, while Oliver was admired for his wisdom. One sunny morning, as Benny hopped around aimlessly, he spotted a sparkling gem hidden beneath a bush. Ignoring his better judgment, he excitedly rushed to show Oliver. Benny exclaimed, "Look, Oliver! I've found a precious gem. We'll be rich." Oliver, with his perceptive eyes, examined the gem closely. He cautioned Benny, "My dear friend, appearances can be deceiving. Gems may hold value, but they can also bring trouble. Let's seek advice from the forest elder." Ignoring Oliver's advice, Benny insisted on keeping the gem, convinced it would change their lives forever. As days passed, Benny's excitement dwindled, and his heart filled with worry. The gem's allure had faded, and a curse affected his health. Realizing the dire situation, Benny finally heeded Oliver's counsel. They visited the wise forest elder, who explained that the gem was enchanted, carrying a curse that only an act of selflessness could break. With newfound determination, Benny set out on a quest, searching for someone deserving of his help. After days of seeking, he stumbled upon a village suffering from a severe drought. The villagers were in desperate need of water. Benny remembered the act of selflessness advised by the elder, so he took out the gem and handed it over to the villagers. As he did, the gem started sparkling. The villagers were relaxed and grateful to see the rain pouring down. As the curse lifted, Benny's health was restored, and he realized the true power of selflessness. Grateful and humbled, Benny returned to Oliver, who embraced him warmly. Their friendship had grown stronger through the trials they faced together. Thank you for watching. Meet you soon with another adventure. Don't forget to press the bell icon.